Okay, we're just doing a quick video here, something to check for when I'm just doing an oil change. And every time I do an oil change, I do run a quick check. And this time I noticed I got an axial seal leaking. Anyway, so if you ever run across an axial seal leaking, don't just say, okay, I need an axial seal. Look for the cause. And I'll show you what to look for and what I found, what I suspected. I still will have to change the axial seal. It's compromised now, but I'll show you what causes it. Okay, I put my headlight on. Here. I put my headlight on so you guys can see what I'm looking at. So I'll bring you down. Okay, so I look down here. It looks like it's been leaking for a while. I'll get the light over here. So I'm looking here and I said, okay, I have a axial seal leaking. You can see the oil. I did a tire rotation too, so the back of the rim, this one here, there's no oil on it, but the front one now has oil on it, which is up there. I still got to torque them down. Anyway, so if you have this, there's always a cause. And what the cause was, like I said, I'm just doing an overall check on everything under here. I checked the level just to make sure I didn't go down. I just barely under, so I'm pretty much full. It hasn't been leaking that long. So here's a breather that goes onto the differential, and the hose hooks up to it right here. And then this goes up and hooks into something nice and high in case you go through water. The breathing part's right here. So originally I checked, I pulled this off and I just pulled this down. I blew in here and it was a little restricted, but still was able to breathe, but not really clear. So I blew that out. Then I took the line off and checked that. The line was clear. Then I got down to the breather on the differential, which I think you can see it there, which is completely clogged. Because I blew in the line, I couldn't see through it. So we're going to clean that off, and I'll put it back in and show you where it goes. I think I can get you here. Just take all this dirt out of it. I'll blow it up with brake clean. Yeah, you're starting to see through it. So I'm going to wipe it down, clean it with brake clean, and I'll put it back in. I'll show you where it goes. Okay, it's cleaned out. Now you can see straight through it. I'm going to put some Teflon tape on there. The only reason why I'm putting Teflon tape on is so this doesn't see. So I don't know how well you're going to see, but it goes right up here. And of course, I got to make sure the hole is clear because it could all be clogged on top right where this screws in. I don't think it is. No. Okay, we got no dirt in there. And you can see, I don't know if you can or not, but I just changed this rear diff fluid not too long ago. I should have done this. Sometimes you try to do things too quick and it ends up biting you. Then your hose comes in. I'll show you exactly where it goes after I'm done. It's back in. Like I say, the reason why they put it way up there in case you're running through water, it doesn't get inside the differential. Okay, let me take you off of here and bring you up there. Okay, you can see where it hooks up. It hooks on a bolt there. It's designed for that. And that's where it breathes way up there. Then you follow the hose down. And it goes in right here. Okay, that was a quick video. When you're doing your oil change or your yearly maintenance or safety check on your vehicle, you could check those breathers. I didn't, obviously. Or if you got a leak, if I would just go ahead and replace that seal, and then the next week a seal would be the other side. Shortly after that, if I didn't clean that breather, it would blow the other side first, and then it would be back and forth, and it would never stop. So you always look for what caused it. This case was a block breather. Now I'm going to have to change the axial seal anyway. While I'm here, I'm going to do the front, check the breather. It's not leaking. Anyway, just a quick tip. Anyway, if you liked the video, appreciate a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching my channel. Bye for now.